Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be all over the world. I am Folorunsho Olutayo Oyebisi, and today we'll be talking about how to make our hair conditioner. You know, like I usually say, there are different ways of making so many of these do-it-yourself products that we make, but I'll be teaching you a simple way of making an hair conditioner that will help the tangling of the hair to be easily combed anytime we make our hair. Let's go straight into the production proper. Welcome viewers, we are right here into the practical section. Like you all know, initially we have to talk about the different reagents we'll be using in the production of this hair conditioner. Here is my Emi wax. I also have here my cetyl alcohol. Here is my shea butter. I also have here my fragrance. I'll be using banana fragrance. Here is my vitamin E oil, as well as my Diicot A. Here is my paraffin oil, as well as my glycerin. So here are the components, or let me call it reagents, we'll be using for the production of this hair conditioner. For the purpose of producing this hair conditioner, we'll be needing it. We'll be putting this pot on fire. We'll be melting some of this shea butter, the e-wax, the cetyl alcohol. That is the aspect we call the oil phase. Thereafter, we'll be adding in our warm water. The water will not be so hot, but it will not be cold. Thereafter, we'll be adding in our water phase. Then our conditioner will be ready. Let's go into the practical. So my pot is on fire. Here is my paraffin oil. You don't need your pot to be hot. Like I said in the Vaseline video, please don't make your pot hot. You just need to dissolve and melt all these things. I want to scoop in the shea butter. I decided to put it in the spoon so that the spoon will be a bit hot to make the shea butter easy for me to scoop. Shea butter is available for sale in large and small quantity. You can see that the oil is already forming the shea butter color. I hope you can see this. So I'm done with the whole shea butter, and there is nothing inside any longer. So to save my time, I'll be adding in the Emi wax, despite the fact that the shea butter has not totally dissolved. You don't need to make this really hot. We just need it to dissolve. That's all. Please take notes. Here is my stearic acid. I'm about to pour in my stearic acid. The moment this solution dissolves, we'll be pouring in our warm water. You have to make sure that the stearic acid and the Emi wax dissolve totally before you add your water. So this production is for 5 liters of hair conditioner. I don't know if I should call it 5 kg, but you understand, either the 5 liter or the 5 kg. Now my oil has totally dissolved. You know, the cetyl alcohol, I'll be putting off my gas, and the moment I do that, I'll be adding in my warm water. I hope you can see this. I'm adding in my warm water. You can see that we're having a milk solution. So because I'm producing 5 liters of the air conditioner, I'm adding 2 liters of water to my solution. This is my oil face. I dissolved the oil, I dissolved the shea butter, I poured in my Emmy wax as well as my seti alcohol. Then I added the warm water. Now if you add hot water, it's not as if the solution will not turn into the air conditioner. However, it will take a longer time. So I'll be putting this, for the sake of this video, I'll be putting it, this pot is stainless, is close to being stainless. I'll be putting it into cold water for some minutes so that it will be easy for me to finish what I started. Keep watching. Yeah, so after adding in my 2 liters of water, I had to pour it into this container and put this container inside that pot with water inside so that it will solidify on time. Now we can see that it's different from, let me just mix it. I did something like this, mixing it. If you don't have a mixer, please, you can use your turning stick. You don't have to use mixer for this. Now after getting this solution, you can see that it's a little fluffy now. It's no longer as watery as it was initially when I added the hot water. Now I'm going to drop this. We'll be adding in other additives. Here is my glycerin. I hope you can see this. Here is my glycerin. But before adding my glycerin, I told you that it's in phases. We have done the oil phase, and that was when we added water. Now we are adding the water phase. So thereafter, we have made it this way. We'll be adding in our DI cut A. It is called DI cut A. The moment I add this into it, this thing will become more thicker, a lot thicker than this. Don't forget, I told you that we are making a 5 liters or 5 kg production. This bowl is 4 liters. In fact, sometimes it's smaller, a little smaller than the real original 4 liters. So when I add this and it's a little bit thicker, I'll be changing in the container, adding in water, and I will be showing you the end results. But the purpose of this video is to show you the process, so you know that we are done with the oil phase. Here is the water phase. I am adding in my DI cut A. So I'll add in my DI cut A. I am using 100 ml of my DI cut A. The moment I'm done with my DI cut A, I will be able to add in other components. I hope you can see this. When you are using a toner like this, it's not in all cases to put it on. I really hope you can see this. The end result of this is I'm going to be adding water, but before I add water, you add water to taste to get to the end result. But before I add water, after adding water, I'll be adding in my vitamin E and my fragrance and my stuff. So I'll be adding in water now. Action. So you add in the water gradually until you get the desired consistency. I'll be adding another batch of water. Please, when you are using your mixer, you want it a little, you off it, you want it a little, so that you do not spoil it. I hope you can see this. I added 2 liters of warm water. Please don't forget that. And I'm adding another 2 liters now. I'm not here with my turning stick, honestly. I will have changed from this mixer to my turning stick this minute. So please feel free to use your turning stick. So you are supposed to add water to taste. At this juncture, I'll be adding in my vitamin E as well as my fragrance, as well as my glycerin. So here is my glycerin. I hope you all can see this. Let me move this a little forward. I'm adding in my glycerin. My bowl is a little small for this 5 kg, but please bear with me. I'm adding in my banana fragrance. Oh, those people, for a lot of people that mix their hair, people like to use a fruity smell, and that is why, wow, you know, I really wish you can smell what I smell. The smell is just too lovely, really lovely. It doesn't mean you have to use banana, please. Please make your choice, your fragrance choice. And here is my vitamin E. The color looks the same, but it's actually not the same. Vitamin E smells awful. The smell of vitamin E, I'm telling you, is not here. So we are going to do a thorough mixing, and our hair conditioner is ready. However, I will still be adding water. Then I will show you the end results. But I know you got the message already. So you mix it thoroughly until it's very consistent. You package it. I've always said one day I will come back to talk about packaging. You package the conditioner and you are good to go. Please ask your questions. Feel free to ask your questions. Please make comments. Give this video a thumb up if you loved what you have watched. Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.